Alright guys, well I'm out here doing some metal detecting again, and look what I found. The cicadas have officially came. Holy crap. I've never seen them like this. Man. Oh my gosh. Look at all of them. Look at all of them. Oh my god. You can hear them everywhere. They're going nuts. There's so many of them. Well, super hot out here. Bugs and gnats are bad, so I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing. I'm gonna go walk under this tree. Man, they're everywhere, all through the grass and everything. Just millions of them. Yep, all over here too. You can see them all up in the tree everywhere. Man, this is crazy. You can hear them just howling out there, just God. All right. I'll see. I'll try to do some metal detecting. I don't know if I want to kneel down in this grass with all these cicadas everywhere. I don't know. We'll see.